If you drive a Golf 6 or a Jetta MK5, you know that little details matter, especially when you're trying to keep that interior feeling fresh. This isn't just a replacement knob. It promises to fundamentally change how your automatic transmission feels. We're looking at the Zhou Yifeng automatic gear shift knob lever, specifically the OEM part 16D713-203A, designed to fit a range of popular VW models. The biggest claim here, and the one that really caught my attention, is the electronic signal control. Zhou Yifeng states this advanced technology provides rapid shift response, improving the overall performance feel of the vehicle. Now, while the transmission itself does the heavy lifting, the feel of the engagement is definitely quicker and more precise than the worn-out stock unit I was using. It feels less spongy and more immediate, which is a huge win for daily driving performance and responsiveness. Let's talk about the hand feel, because that's where you interact with the car every single day. The ergonomic design is spot on. It's comfortable, and the high-quality materials, including that sleek aluminum exterior finish, give it a premium, durable weight. It's the kind of upgrade that makes those long commutes less tiring. It's built to last, offering excellent wear resistance, which is exactly what you want in a high-touch interior component. Another subtle but smart feature is the space-saving design. Compared to some of the bulkier traditional levers, this one takes up less room, making the center console layout just a bit cleaner and more reasonable. It's a small detail, but it improves the overall space utilization right inside the cabin. Finally, the installation. The claim of easy installation is often where these aftermarket products fail, but honestly, this one lives up to the hype. The steps are simple, and you genuinely don't need complex tools or professional skills. If you can handle basic trim removal, you can install this automatic gear shift knob yourself in about 15 minutes. It's a genuine DIY upgrade. For VW owners looking for a genuine OEM quality refresh that actually improves the driving experience, not just the looks, this Zhou Yifeng knob is an amazing choice. It blends modern electronic feel with classic durability, making it a fantastic, functional interior upgrade.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.